So now I'm going to show you division with stamp game. Same as the other operations, we will start with division without change first. So you need all the chits here, plus you will need these pieces that are in the kit. Now in the class we will be using skittles, and the concept of division is that you have to share whatever quantity you have equally, right? So the skittles actually stand for people. So this particular green skittle, it stands for one person. So when I'm doing the sum, you will get some more clarity on what I'm talking about. So let's start with a sum. Say 4,264 divided by 2. Okay. So first of all, we have to take the quantity. 4,264, we have to take the quantity. Let's take it. So we've taken the quantity 4,264, right? We are going to divide it among 2 people. Okay. So we have to take 2 skittles for that. We're going to start dividing now. Okay. So quantitatively and sensorially speaking, division is the process of splitting of a large quantity into small equal quantities. So we have a large quantity here. We are going to split it into 2 equal quantities. Okay. And division, we always start with the highest hierarchy. Here the highest hierarchy are the thousands. So we'll start with dividing the thousands first. So the rule is very simple. If I give any quantity to this skittle, I have to give the exact quantity to this skittle. So if I give 1,000 to this skittle, I have to give 1,000 here also. If I give 100 here, I have to give 100 here. That is the rule. Okay. So let's start dividing. Just going to bring all of this down for convenience. So 1,000 there, 1,000 here. Again 1,000 here and 1,000 here. Now I don't have any more thousands to give. So let's start dividing the hundreds now. So 100 here and 100 here. No more hundreds left. So let's start giving the tens now. So we've given the thousands, hundreds and tens. Now we have to give the ones. There you go. We've divided 4,264 equally to 2 different people. And the answer in division is always what one person gets. So what did one person get? 2,132. So that is the answer. Now I'm going to show you division with change. Okay. So for now, division with change, I'm going to choose a different sum. 4,924 divided by 4. Okay. So I have to take this quantity first. So I have taken the quantity 4,924 and I have to divide it among 4 people. So I need 4 skittles. Okay. Now I'm going to start dividing. So you always start with the highest hierarchy. I don't have any more thousands to give. Now let's start dividing the hundreds. So we still have one more 100 to give. But the rule in division is that if I give 100 to this skittle, I have to give 100 to all the skittles. Then only it becomes division. So we can't cut this into pieces and give, right? What we can do is change. We have 100 here and 10 tens make 100 and we know that. So we are going to change this 100 for tens. So since this 10 tens is the same as this 100, we are going to keep this inside. Okay, we are going to use this now. So we have more tens, we are going to distribute it. All the tens are divided. Now we have only the ones to give. So first we had a large quantity, that is 4924, and we divided it among 4 people, and each person got 1231. This is division. So division is the process of splitting of a large quantity into small equal quantities. Okay, and what we write is what one person gets in division. Now in division alone, there is a third presentation that we show the children, that is when you get a remainder. So for example, 3274 divided by 3. So we have 3274. We are going to divide it among 3 people. Watch carefully. Since we can't give the 200s to 3 people, we've changed it into 2 sets of 10 tens. Okay, so we are now going to keep this back and we are going to distribute the tens. 1, 1 and 1. We have this 1 left. This cannot be distributed among the 3 people. Therefore, this is known as a remainder. So, when you record the answer, what you have to write is 1000. There are no hundreds. Then 91 with remainder 1. This is the remainder. Okay. This is the answer. This is how you do division with stamping.